sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe nefamily yakhe. And also I'm sorry to ifamily yami ngokwenza yonke lento. And yeah, bekuyilokho nje. So angimblame uma wengane, ngiyiblame mina ngokwenza yonke lento le. Yimina engiyifake kule rubbish yonke engiyifake kuyona. Yeah. So ningasho noma yini.
Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Mkosi Nomagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. So that is the ex-husband Vuyokazi. If you remember, that is the statement that he made axolisa kuma fans kaVuyokazi and everyone to Vuyokazi, my fans kaVuyokazi, ifamily kaVuyokazi, family yakhe, and also the baby mama, his baby mama, guys. So guys, but the allegations that are saying uXolani ubuyile, chef Xolani ubuyile South Africa. Remember, he was not working in South Africa because on the I don't know the country exact, but he was not working here, he was working overseas, he was a chef overseas. So they are saying he is permanently back in South Africa, and bathi the allegations bathi uhamba aphethe isibhamu ntshiza, bathi uhamba aphethe ntshiza. So my worry is njengoba abuyile nje kungabi ukuthi ubuye nje uzobuya hlupha uVuyokazi or what, but what I know ukuthi uyaziblima, and what I know ukuthi umuntu omoshele yonke lento le umlomo wakhe, as asho naye ukuthi akablame ubaby mama, but into emoshe yonke lento le umlomo wakhe. Cabanga sinyo ex-wife, remember guys, yena bokunkosikazi wakhe because wayesekhokhile lobola, but besokushoda kancane. And remember from the fight yaVuyokazi nomama kaXolani, we know that bakakhiphe 28k if angiphosisi, and 28k it's a lot of money guys, it's a lot of money, let's just not lie. Especially phela sikhumbula uVuyokazi uney'ngane eziyi-2, so vele i-28k it's a lot of money. Nale 28k mhlambe bokushoda another 28, then izoyenza 50 something, which I think is very reasonable for umuntu onabantwana abayi-2 or umuntu nje osonomntwana. Knowing uVuyokazi is a hard worker, and like, remember back then we didn't know ukuthi uVuyokazi to the hard work. All we knew is ubuntu bakhe, personality yakhe, indlela azokuphatha ngayo, but into ayiletha on the table we didn't know. But now we know that we-business woman, which makes ukuthi into ithi caca. I just wish nje ukuthi uVuyokazi angahlangani nalo myeni abuyelane nale ndoda. I just pray for that. But bazala mamzitho, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.
Really, 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 really sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe nefamily yakhe. And also I'm sorry to ifamily yami